Namaste. So I joined this Ashtanga Chikitsa 17th February. You able to hear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
We are able to hear you. I
I
just put
joined
you on.
this.
Yes, ma'am, you can continue. I've just
Yeah,
put you
yeah,
on
yeah,
spotlight.
yeah. I joined this program in February. I was introduced to this program by my cousin who is in USA, and she undertook this program. In 1 week, she could find lot of changes, and she immediately put it across to me. And once she said, I had no doubt about that. I didn't explore or anything. I just joined in. And as I joined, initially I found like first 1 or 2 weeks I was finding it difficult. But I had my own doubts, like whether it suits me or what. But my mentors were they were very supportive. They said it happens that way because you're not used to doing it. Each body like responds differently. Continue doing it, and they gave some advice as to how to go about all that. And then I started feeling the energy in me, and I feel like my problem was like my legs, they seem to be having less energy for me to sit and get up or to climb on a higher surface. All those things I was finding it difficult. Somehow I felt that I was not able to give force on the capacity to put pressure and climb or something, or walking, all that. I was finding it difficult. I did go to doctors and all. They all told me check for sugar, check for this, but none of them could actually find out what was the problem. It was not a major problem, but somehow I had this difficulty continuing in me. And after doing this, at sometimes I feel really very energetic. Sometimes it is the same. But overall, I found at least 20% improvement, and my energy level is really high. This is the eighth week I'm into the program. And in rather than the initial days, nowadays, when I do this Kumbhak, Ashtanga Chikitsa that exercise thing at home, I really feel it's that 45 minutes of doing, there's so much of calmness. I not only feel the difference in my body, also in my mind. So overall, I'm feeling very excited, and I've spoken about this to so many people in person, through phone. I've shared my happiness of what I have achieved. So I wanted to reach out to many people who are finding it difficult. And I strongly endorse. And the system, the way this is being taught, the methods used, everything is so very diligently done. Um, I've been a teacher and I can see the program. Um, the purpose of the program is to reach what they are teaching it to the people who are using it. That's it. Thank you.